Every day, thousands of massive trees arrive at facilities like this.
Before a single cut is made, every log is scanned and measured with extreme precision. Once scanned, the logs are instantly sorted by powerful hydraulic systems. In seconds, before cutting can begin, the bark must be removed. These powerful debarking machines strip each log's ankyloforbus. With the bark removed, the log is positioned with extreme accuracy. Computer systems reference. This is where raw timber meets raw power. High-speed industrial saws cut through solid log for fibers. As the wood leaves the saw, precision systems immediately check thickness and quality. Only board the cement edges. After the first cut, each board is refined. Automated edging machines trim away irregularities. Advanced vision systems inspect every board in milliseconds, detecting knots, cracks, freighted. Once graded, each board is automatically routed to its next destination. In seconds, before the wood can be used, moisture must be carefully removed. Inside the kiln, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled, over hours or even days. Drying is not guesswork. Computer-controlled cycles adjust heat and airflow minute by minute, After drying, the wood must cool and stabilize. This controlled resting phase allows in-3 mixturing. With moisture stabilized, the lumber is cut to its final dimensions. Precision saws ensure its. Planing machines refine the surface of each board, removing imperfections and creating smooth, uniform lumpsets. After surface finishing, every board is inspected once more. This final grading ensures uniform lumpetris. After surface finishing, every board is inspected once more. This final grading ensures the lumber meets. Once approved, the lumber is automatically stacked and bundled. Robotic systems ensure each package is secure. Every bundle is labeled and tracked digitally. From this moment on, each shipment can be monitored in refilter intellites. From raw logs to finished lumber, every step is precisely controlled. Once loaded, before shipment, finished lumber is stored in automated warehouses. Smart inventory systems track every bundle. For global transport, the lumber is carefully protected. Automated wrapping and packaging systems ensure the wood arrives to waste. Nothing goes to waste. Bark, chips, and sawdust are recycled and reused, often converted into the factory. Before leaving the factory, the lumber is tested and certified to meet strict international standards. These quackles. From raw logs to finished lumber, every step inside this sawmill is driven by precision. Once the lumber leaves the factory, a global distribution network takes over. Every shipment is tracked digitally. After leaving the sawmill, this lumber becomes part of everyday life, from buildings and furniture to packaging and issuance.
Modern sawmills are closely connected to responsible forestry. For every tree harvested, new tree effigips. Sawmill technology continues to evolve. Smarter automation, predictive maintenance, and data
Smorist. From forest to factory, and from raw logs to finished lumber, this process combines.
After the initial cuts, the timber enters secondary breakdown saws. Here, large wood blocks are split into multiple P-clips.
Each blade is continuously adjusted during the cut. Sensors fine-tune spacing in real time, ensuring cut is complete. Once the cut is complete, the boards naturally separate. Guide systems space them apart, ensuring. Once the cut is complete, the boards naturally separate. Guide systems gently space them apart.
Immediately after cutting, stabilization rollers take control. These systems prevent flexing or twisting. This next cut. Before the next cut, edge detection sensors verify straightness and width. Any deviation is corrected and ferrets or sensor data. Using live sensor data, the trimming system adjusts itself for every single board. These micro-correctors. With alignment complete, the trimming cut is made. Only millimeters are removed, but this step is critical for pockets. The removed material is immediately extracted. These trims are not discarded, they're collected for moving forward, the boards are realigned. This final positioning step ensures a smooth handoff to the next section of the production line. With cutting and trimming complete, the boards are transferred to the planing line. Here, surface finishing begins, bringing the starchuts. Before planing starts, each board is stabilized once more. Pressure rollers flatten the surface, preventing the car fast rounds. The first planer head removes only a fraction of a millimeter. This initial cut establishes a perfect botros. Modern planers use multiple cutter heads in sequence. Each pass removes microscopic imperfections, creates stress. To prevent internal stress, material is removed evenly from both sides. This balanced planing keeps the boards. After planing, thickness is verified with laser accuracy. These systems conform meet specifications. With planing complete, the surface is inspected in detail. Specialized lighting cameras reveal imperfections in glow. Artificial intelligence now evaluates every board in real time. By analyzing grain patterns and defect savagens, based on AI decisions, boards are instantly routed to their most suitable destination. This automated sorting mouse. Boards that don't meet primary specifications aren't wasted. Instead, they're redirected to rework lines. In the rework line, defects are surgically removed. These precise cuts allow partially imperfect boards to be reversed. After reprocessing, each board is checked again. Only those that now meet quality standards are clear. Once verified, reworked boards seamlessly rejoin the main line. Automated timing systems keep production fast. Before final handling, moisture levels are checked one last time. Conditioning systems ensure the wood remains. At this stage, boards are sorted by customer orders. Automation ensures each shipment contains exact verse. Once sorted, boards are formed into precise bundles. Automated alignment ensures every stack is perpendicular. To keep the lumber secure, automated strapping systems apply precise tension. Each bundle is locked firmly. Before storage or transport, each bundle is wrapped for protection. This layer shields the wood from. Each bundle is digitally registered before it moves on. Barcode and tracking systems allow every shipment. Before shipping, bundles are staged in organized loading zones. Automated vehicles ensure every order moves. At the dock, automation continues. Loading systems align vehicles perfectly, allowing lumber to be transported.
Each container is sealed and digitally cleared. From this point on, the shipment is fully secured and ready to leave the
Clearance
facility.
complete, long-distance transport begins. Containers are dispatched by road and rail, forming the first link in a global delivery chain. At the port, shipments transfer from land to sea. Heavy cranes load containers onto cargo vans. From factory to final destination, every shipment is tracked in real time. Digital monitoring ensures transportation. After crossing long distances, shipments arrive at regional hubs. Here, automated systems prepare place. In the final stage, lumber is prepared for last-mile delivery. Automated handling ensures each load realize. After traveling across regions and borders, the lumber reaches its final purpose, supporting construction. From raw logs to finished structures, automated lumber production supports entire industries, driving efficiencies. Modern lumber factories are built with responsibility in mind. Sustainable forestry, renewable energy. As technology evolves, automation continues to reshape lumber production. Smarter systems, cleaner energy benefits. While machines handle the work, human expertise remains essential. Engineers oversee systems. Automation delivers more than speed. It brings consistency, safety, and reliability. Reducing checks. Compared to traditional methods, automation offers greater precision and consistency. From homes and infrastructure to everyday products, automated lumber production adds value across industries. Day or night, production continues. Automated factories operate around the clock, maintaining efficiencies. No matter where it's delivered, the result is the same. Automation ensures consistent quality at a scale. Strict standards and automated checks build trust. Every shipment meets industry requirements before this mulets. Automation is not a short-term shift. It represents a long-term vision, building stronger industries. From responsibly managed forests to precision-built structures, automation connects every stage of lumber production in Ticadris. This is modern manufacturing at its best, a system designed for consistency, efficiency, and scale. If you enjoyed this inside look at modern manufacturing, subscribe for more factory stories from around the world.